In this video, we're going to have a look at differential equations, and that's just another way of saying finding the equation of the curve, given its differential. So we'll get straight into an example, okay? And this example says, given that dy by dx is x squared plus 2x plus 3, find the equation of the curve in the form y equals f of x, given that it passes through 1, 1. So pretty standard type of question this, and to do one example of these is enough. So, if we're given dy by dx and we need to find the equation of the curve, then what we do is integrate, i.e. undifferentiate. So y must be the integral of x squared plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x, which is equal to, and remember there's no limits here, this is an indefinite integral, so there's going to be a plus c as well, you must remember that, x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2 plus 3x plus c, and 2 over 2 is 1, they cancel. And we're given this extra bit of information here that the curve passes through 1, 1. That allows us to find what plus c is. So, if I let x equal 1 and y equal 1, that gives me that y, which is 1, equals 1 cubed over 3 plus 1 squared plus 3 lots of 1 plus c. And doing a bit of rearranging, that tells me that c equals, so taking everything over to the left hand side, I get 1 minus 1 cubed over 3 minus another 1 squared minus 3, which is equal to minus 10 over 3. C is minus 10 over 3. Therefore, we can conclude that the equation of the curve is y equals x cubed over 3 plus x squared plus 3x minus 10 over 3. And that there is the answer. And nice quick example here. Have a go at the worksheet. The rest of them are pretty straightforward.